Automatic production line for adhesive coating. Fully automatic production line for adhesive coating, surface drying, and pressing. Top-mounted glue storage tank with glue leakage. Hopper automatically adding glue. You can manually pour white latex or prepared glue into the glue injection tank. All aluminum furniture honeycomb panels, aluminum polyurethane panels, aluminum large panels, whole panel cabinets, door panels, etc. are automatically glued and coated with glue. Single and double-sided fully automatic adhesive coating machine, widely used in industries such as woodworking, furniture, hardware products, aluminum honeycomb panels, etc. Applied to impermeable steel vegetable dishes in the kitchen, waterproof, and evenly coated with glue on the rubber pad. Efficient and fast gluing on automatic production lines. According to the different types of glue applied, the roller material can be selected: nitrile, PU, silicone, polyurethane, etc. Efficient automatic double-sided uniform adhesive coating, adjustable thickness, high efficiency, and significant labor saving. Soft thin sponge rolling coating. Double-sided adhesive coating on board. Automatic gluing of skateboard. Deep drawing anti-convex mold pressing door panel large plate coating. Stainless steel aluminum plate wire drawing texture coating. Production site of aluminum honeycomb panel factory using adhesive coating machine. Metal stainless steel plate coating for hardware. Automatic adhesive coating. Firmly pressed, allowing the glue to perfectly bond with the board. Stretch the soft-faced door and apply adhesive smoothly without damaging the door panel. The uneven and irregular board surface and door panels can be glued in place. The size of the adhesive application is uniform and controllable, with high efficiency and high output. Molded door panels are coated with adhesive and can be applied to both deep drawn and convex door panels. Long strip board, bamboo sheet, bamboo strip, double-sided automatic adhesive coating.